Welcome to Manthra Software Services. We are a TMMi Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. The outline of this video. We'll discuss on: First, test scenario 1, add a payee and make payments through the PAR Bank portal. Second, test scenario 2, transfer funds between two accounts, self-transfer, in the PAR Bank. Third, UFT Project Workflow. Fourth, demo of automation execution. Fifth, demo of the auto-generated MSS UFT automation test reports. Now let's begin. Log into the PAR Bank application and add the payee information. Select the bank account and transfer the amount. Verify the payment is successful in the account statement and log out from the application. The next steps are: log into the PAR Bank application and select the bank account to transfer the amount. Verify the payment is successful in the account statement and log out from the application. And the next steps: the setup and configure the MSS UFT Framework. Prepare test cases using the MSS Framework and maintain test data in Excel files. Execute test cases and view the auto-generated MSS test reports. No coding is required as the MSS Framework contains built-in functional libraries required for testing. UFT can be set up and can start testing within a day. UFT tool. Let me show the UFT tool and where the project is configured in UFT. This is the MSS Framework that is built for testing. It has all the required functional libraries. MSS Automation Testing folder. The test cases are developed and executed in Excel files stored in a folder structure. Control file. An Excel control file is used where all the test cases are listed for execution. Each test scenario is stored in Excel files with separate sheets. Planned test cases are selected for the execution from control file. The configuration such as browser, testing environment, and application URL are configured in the control file. Keyword file. For developing the test case, we use a separate Excel sheet called as a keyword file, where we input technical details for steering the application in test. Each automation test steps are defined in the keyword file along with the technical properties. Test data file. For test data, we use separate Excel sheet where all the test data are included and maintained for the application testing. For our test scenarios, two sets of test data are prepared for testing. Each test data is stored in each column. Automation test execution in UFT tool. Once the control file is configured and ready for execution, the test cases are run from the UFT application. Now, let me run the test scenarios from the UFT. After execution. Execution is completed. We have executed two test scenarios with two sets of test data. Test reports. Let me show you the test results folder with test reports for the execution. The MSS configured test reports are auto-generated and will be saved in the HTML format after each execution. The summary report shows the execution date and time, scenarios executed, pass/fail status, and duration of execution. The detailed report displays the test steps, time taken for each step, pass/fail status. Failed steps will indicate the cause of the failure. Clicking on the failed or passed step will show the snapshots taken during the run time. Thank you for watching the demo. You can put your comments below. For more details, contact us at services@manthrasoft.com. Or you get your free trial at manthrasoft.com/free-trial.